Keyboard and mouse, beginner level. Introduction. Keyboard and mouse are the most common input devices used to interact with a computer. They allow users to enter data, keyboard, control movement and actions, mouse. Together, they form the basic tools for typing, navigating, selecting, executing commands. Without these devices, interacting with a computer becomes very difficult. This topic helps beginners understand what keyboard and mouse are, how they work, their types and features, their role in computing. What are keyboard and mouse? A keyboard is an input device used to enter text, numbers, and commands into a computer. Mouse. A mouse is an input device used to control the cursor and interact with graphical elements. In simple words, keyboard equals typing device, mouse, pointing and clicking device. Why keyboard and mouse are important? They are essential because they check, enable user interaction, check, allow data entry, check, help navigate the system, check, control applications, check, improve productivity. Without them, typing becomes difficult, navigation is limited, user experience is poor. Keyboard overview, feature description, input type text input, keys, letters, numbers, symbols, functions, commands and shortcuts, layout, QWERTY, most common. A keyboard has different types of keys. 1. Alphanumeric keys, letters and numbers. 2. Function keys, F1 to F12, perform special tasks. 3. Control keys, Control, Alt, Shift. Navigation keys, arrow keys, home, end. Example of keyboard input. Name equals input, enter your name. Print, hello, name. Mouse overview, feature description. Input type, pointing device. Functions, click, scroll, drag. Buttons, left, right, scroll wheel. A mouse typically includes 1. Left button, select and click. 2. Right button, open context menu. 3. Scroll wheel, scroll pages. 4. Sensor tracks movement. Example of mouse action. Conceptual. Action equals click. If action equals click. Print. Item selected. Common types. Mechanical keyboard, membrane keyboard, wireless keyboard, ergonomic keyboard, types of mouse. Common types. Optical mouse, laser mouse, wireless mouse, gaming mouse, touchpad, laptops. Keyboard plus mouse interaction. Example name equals input, enter your name. If name. Print, mouse click, submit button. Print, welcome, name. Input means action. Example command equals input command. If command equals open, print, opening file. Elif command equals close, print, closing file. Full menu-based keyboard and mouse simulation, Python, def keyboard input, return input, type something. Def, mouse click, print, mouse clicked. Def, process data, return data dot upper. Def output data, print output, while true, print. N1, keyboard input, print. 2, mouse click, print. 3, process data, print. 4, output, print. 5, exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, data equals keyboard input. Elif choice equals 2, mouse click. Elif choice equals 3, data equals process data. Elif choice equals 4, output data. Elif choice equals 5, break. Else, print invalid choice. Input device basics. User interaction methods. Text input versus pointer input. Navigation and control. Human-computer interaction. Real-life analogy. Keyboard and mouse are like. Keyboard means writing with a pen. Mouse means pointing with your finger. Together, they help you communicate with the computer. Ways to improve knowledge. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Control-C, Control-V. Practice typing speed. Explore gaming mouse features. Learn gesture controls touchpad. Customize input settings. Common mistakes beginners make. Using mouse for everything, not using shortcuts. Not learning keyboard shortcuts. Poor typing habits. Ignoring ergonomic setup. Where keyboard and mouse are used. Used in Computers and laptops, offices, gaming systems, design and editing tools, programming environments. Keyboard and mouse. Input devices used to enter data and control a computer system. Final summary. Keyboard and mouse are essential for basic computer interaction. They enable check, data input, navigation, command execution, user control. Understanding them helps you use computers efficiently and effectively.